it can be only two possibilities. Either it is true or it is false. When it's true, what do I need? I just need the same number, 25%. But when it's not true, what I need? I need blank. So double quote can represent blank.
In one sheet, some percentage, I have fixed that percentage. Based on that percentage, in sheet 1, I want to change the status of the cell. For example, if I put 25%, it should display here approved. That's
Okay.
it. It says no.
What about 33%? What should happen in that case?
It should be blank. Nothing should be there.
And what about 21%?
It should be blank. If it is not 21%, it should not be. It should not say approved.
Okay, understood. So you can use if functions and that will do the job. Let me share my screen. Let me write some formula here and let's assume that we are having certain percentages 0.25, 0.3, 0.21, 0.35, 0.25 again. Okay, so these are some percentages. Control Shift 5 will give us the percentage formatting. Now here I am trying to write a formula. If, okay, this cell, I assume that there would be multiple cells which you are facing. Otherwise, this is not needed if it is only one cell, right? So this is equal to, and I will directly type 0.25 or I can also type 25%. Both ways it will work. So if that happens, now B2 equal to 25%, it can be only two possibilities. Either it is true or it is false. When it's true, what do I need? I just need the same number, 25%. But when it's not true, what I need? I need blank. So double quote can represent blank and close the bracket. So if function requires a logic, then value when it is true. So I want the same value, and value when it is false. So when it is false,
Value should be approved. Like I want to.
Okay.
Basically, I will tell you the scenario where we have base design, detailed design.
This also.
Okay. Whatever text you reflect there, it will appear.
Yes, you can type any text between the double quotes, or if it is a number, you can type the number directly without the double quotes.
And it can be in any sheet, means because I have a one sheet.
Doesn't matter.
Data.
This I will show you later. So let me fix it first. Okay. And let's say this formula we are trying to write somewhere here. Okay. Equal if I will go to sheet 1, this cell is equal to 0.25, then it is approved. Otherwise, I want blank or not approved. You can type anything between the, okay. Now, if I change it to, let's say, let's forget these values, not an issue. If I change it to 30%, gone. If I bring it back to 25%, it's there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.